Hey everybody, going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, September 15th. 6 trades, pulled out 5.4 pips. Just can't get anything going this week. First, economic data. Retail sales came out. The last big data point the Fed sees before the meeting on Thursday. Missed estimates by 0.1%. Year-over-year retail sales is at a recession looming 1.6%. Terrible retail sales, so not looking too good. Industrial production came out with a negative 0.4%, a miss of that estimate. And then the New York Empire manufacturing plummeted to a negative 14.6. Terrible number there. Business roundtable of CEOs, they've lowered their 6-month capital investments and see less sales and hiring in the next 6 months. And then business inventories have grown at the slowest pace since January. It's all signaling a recession. If the Fed raises interest rates on Thursday, it will be a major mistake. Mark my words. Let's get to it. 6 trades, 1 full. All the rest were a certain percentage. First one you're looking at here is a short in Aussie Swiss franc. We've had this since last week. Only 10% of our normal size because we were risking about 70, 80 pips or so. And you can see what it did. We had a couple of chances to get out with about 30 pips. That would have been about 3 pip gain. We didn't take it. We actually had 2 chances. We ended up getting stopped out, losing 6.6 pips on a size-adjusted basis. Aussie US dollar, 2 trades. First one was a full yesterday morning, 0.7123. We were long. Went in our favor right off the bat. Probably should have pieced it out. Probably should have held. We tried to piece it out. We probably should have got out while it approached the half figure. We didn't take it though. But we'll take it all, the 8.2. Second one was a long at 0.71611. We only had 20% of our normal size because the Royal Bank of Australia was coming out with their meeting minutes. So we obviously, with some big event like that, you can't risk much. So we took 20% of our normal size, lost about 7.2 pips. Last night as well, US dollar Swiss franc, we were short this, picking up 1.5 pips on a size adjusted basis, had 20% of our normal size again. Again, we wanted to close this out before we went to bed, and we had that big news coming out from Australia. This morning, we had the Swiss franc Japanese yen. We were short 123.446. Grabbed a quick 2.8 pips on a size-adjusted basis, and we had 30% of our normal size. And then US dollar Japanese yen, we traded the retail sales, so we only took 50% of our normal size. Scalped it, picking up a quick about 6.5 pips on a size-adjusted basis. It looked like it was going to stall out around that 119.86, 0.87 level. There were those bottoms just from yesterday. But it did stall out there for about an hour and then just absolutely took off. But we'll take the 6.7 pips. If you look, you could see the figure of 120 even, which has been a big number with this thing recently. It just went right through it. So, maybe we could have picked up more on that, but anyway, we'll take it. So the 6 trades, 5.4 pips, nothing great at all. So if you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out there coming your way, have a great rest of your day.